से बात करो। तो ये कैरेक्टर का जो अंदाज है, जो तेवर है, वो बहुत हटके है, बहुत अतरंगी है। So yeah, I've gone completely on his conviction. कोमल सर रिव्यू जब देंगे ना, जो भी मैंने किया आप इनका नाम लीजिए। But really it was so exciting क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से पिछले 2 साल में मैं बहुत खुल गई हूँ, एंड उसका क्रेडिट सिर्फ ये फिल्म को जाता है और बुच्ची सर को जाता है।
और मुझे जो स्पेशल चीज पता लगी, बिकॉज व्हाइल आई वाज कमिंग इनसाइड, यू नो, बहुत सारे लोग हैदराबाद से, वाइजैक से आए, वो स्पेशली दे वांटेड टू टॉक तेलुगु कनेक्शन, यू नो, वो एक इमोशन है जो कि चलता चले जा रहा है। टॉक टू अस अबाउट दैट। ये क्या है, हो क्या रहा है ये? यू नो, दे लव यू डाउन साउथ, एंड स्पेशली तेलुगु कनेक्शन जो है ये बड़ा इमोशनल है।
मैं बॉम्बे में रहती हूँ लेकिन मेरा घर तो वहां ही है। अंदर की नमस्कार। इतना प्यार जब मिलता है तो घर से ज्यादा, सबसे ज्यादा लगाव वहीं लगता है मुझे।
फोन आ गया।
एंड आई होप कि मैं वहां ज्यादा से ज्यादा काम करती रहूंगी, एंड आई होप आई मेक एवरीवन हैप्पी।
वाओ, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, जानवी कपूर वन मोर टाइम। और यही प्यार कुछ दिनों में भोपाल में देखने को मिलने वाला है। मैं बता दूं आप लोग को कि वहां भी ये टीम पहुंचने वाली है, कुछ बहुत ही कमाल होने वाला है। वी डेफिनेटली टॉक अबाउट दैट, लेकिन उससे पहले द मैन ऑफ द मोमेंट, द मैन ऑफ द आवर, यू गाइस टू डू इट। लेट्स वेट फॉर मेगा पावर स्टार
personals, thank you so much for gracing this event. It means a lot to us, all this time. Thank you.
अच्छा, एक मिनट, what we'll do is, सिर्फ एक काम करते हैं,
2 minutes please.
सर, एक बार मैं कहता हूं इस तरफ हाथ हिला दीजिए, एक बार उस तरफ, फिर ये सब शांत बैठ जाएंगे। थैंक यू। नाउ वील टॉक, नाउ वील टेक दिस आगे। lovely यार, कमाल लोग हो। ओके, सो
I think it's an incredible last 2 years. This movie has been embedded in every cell of us. We've been living this, breathing this for the last 2 years. Mr. Bucci Babu has been living, breathing this for the last 5 years. So it's a lot of investment, and I want to thank Bucci Babu for one reason, for convincing Mr. Rahman sir to be on the board of this project. Thank you, Bucci. You know, I'm sure every project has 4 or 5 pillars, but this is the center pillar. The center pillar is R. Rahman sir. It is so needed. The way he composed movies like these, and many movies like this he's composed. Especially, I love your works. And Pele sir, it is one of my favorite background scores. So it is such an honor to be in his presence, in his films that he is part of. Thank you so much for being part of Petti sir. And Devin, thank you man. You're a gangster. No, say gangster. His personality is almost like a giant personality. The way he carries every word, every dialogue, the expression. He's got a swag. He's got his own way. The body language is something that I would like to develop or inculcate. And of course, this is my 5th film or 4th film with Randy sir. He's a master. He's a master. He etched every frame so beautifully in the post, in the shoot. Thank you so much for it. And Johnny man, thank you. I've not seen such a diligent person in my life. The way she is working so hard. She used to rehearse the last day we just shot a song. I didn't have time because we were shooting 85 days continuously, and then the song landed up. I was like, I was learning there and I was doing it, and I didn't know whether she practiced it too. She did it 100 times better than me in the last song we did. I was like, She's like a Chupa Rustam. She's quietly learning it in Mumbai, and I like that dedication. It's something that she's very sincere to her work, and this Peddi needed a lot of sincerity in all of us, and I'm very, very happy. My dad and Miss Sridevi ma'am had worked together. It was long wish for our family, our fans, and who appreciated this, our parents coming together and us. So it is like a nostalgic thing for all of us, and this pair will not disappoint you guys. It will really, she's done her best. So Satish Garu, thank you for your kind words. I wish I can translate exactly what he said. On YouTube, please select on YouTube you can select the language Hindi. Autocorrect hota hai. But yeah, he's really worked hard. He's the main man of this evening. It is because of him all of us are here, and he deserves every applause, every love, and your support he deserves. Telugu Abhiman. Thank you so much. Yeah, Jai Banu. This is a small gift that Buchi has given me. So, through the course of the film, I think last 25-30 days we were doing a Kusti Pailwan shoot.
Charan sir, love you so much. The opportunity నాకు ఇచ్చినందుకు సెకండ్ ఫిల్మ్ కే థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ చరణ్ సార్. ప్లీజ్
हमारे पास ना बड़े सारे पहलवान है बाहर सर क्या बोल
అంటే నా సెకండ్ ఫిల్మ్ కి చరణ్ సార్ ఇలాంటి ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇవ్వడం థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. నేను ఎప్పటికీ మిమ్మల్ని లైఫ్ లో మర్చిపోను. మీరు ఈ సినిమా కోసం ఎంత కష్టపడ్డారో నాకు తెలుసు. మీకు చాలా ఇంజురీస్ కూడా అవి నేను ఇక్కడ చెప్పలేను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. నేను మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడతాను, నాకు టెన్షన్ గా ఉంది, నర్వస్ ఉంది ఫుల్. జాన్వి, థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీ హార్డ్ వర్కింగ్ గురించి ఏం మాట్లాడడానికి లేదు. చాలా హార్డ్ వర్కింగ్. మీరు చాలా పెద్ద హీరోయిన్. ఇప్పుడు మీ మదర్ ప్లేస్కి వెళ్ళిపోతారు. మీ మదర్ రేంజ్, మీ మదర్ ఏ రేంజ్కి రీచ్ అయ్యారో ఆ రేంజ్కి వెళ్తారు మీరు. థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం, థ్యాంక్ యూ. రెహమాన్ సార్, మీతో వచ్చాను, నా డ్రీమ్. నాకు అన్ని పాటలు హిట్ చేశారు. బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ మ్యూజిక్ నిన్నే విన్నాను. సెకండ్ హాఫ్ అదిరిపోయింది. ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ అదిరిపోయింది, సెకండ్ హాఫ్ కూడా వినాలి. మొన్న దివేంద్ర సార్, లవ్ యూ సార్, లవ్ యూ సో మచ్, లవ్ యూ. మీరు ఈ సినిమాకి రావడం అన్నది అంటే జెన్జీ బ్యాచ్ కి చాలా దగ్గర అయిపోయింది ఈ సినిమా మీరు రావడం వల్ల. థ్యాంక్ యూ, థ్యాంక్ యూ. రండి సార్, మీరు నా కథకి లైఫ్ ఇచ్చారు. మీరు లేకపోతే పెద్ద సినిమా లేదు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. సతీష్ గారు, హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. మా ప్రొడ్యూసర్ గారికి హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. ఈరోజు ఏ ప్రొడ్యూసర్ కి ఇలాంటి అవకాశం రాదేమో. ఆయన ఫస్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ ట్రైలర్ రోజే ఆయన బర్త్డే. థ్యాంక్ యూ సతీష్ గారు. మీ మేడం ఏమడిగితే అది ఇచ్చారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. అవినాష్ గారికి, ఎడిటర్ నవీన్ నూలి గారికి, అందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఇండియా, థ్యాంక్ యూ ముంబై, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Wow, all I can say is there is a lot of love यहाँ पे. बड़ी कमाल की बॉन्डिंग है, बहुत सारा प्यार है, बहुत सारा टैलेंट है. सर के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Sir, I would request the both of you to kindly stay. Yes, please बोलिए sir.
Actually, there's a drought in Hollywood as well as in India. We got a fantastic script. It's a very rooted rural film, which everyone is given a heart and soul. Firstly, it's Ram Charan's ongoing performance. He's completely transformed his body, mind, everything is given for this film. And then Divyendu, no doubt, he's done an incredible performance. Janvi Kapoor, you're getting more fans in South. The kind of performance you're given. And the one and only Isai Poyal, Rahman sir, they're all fans. Sir. This is my third film with you. And I feel like a fan moment with you. You've done a fantastic work. And my producer, Satish Kilar Garu. This is his first film, but yet he is such a passionate producer. Thanks for this movie, sir. How to work with you. Love you, Cherry. Love you.
Ratnavadu sir and Uchi sir, I would request you to kindly stay back. Of course, now, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Shivraj Kumar sir also. Thank you, Shivraj sir. మీరు ఈ సినిమాలో రావడం చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది.
All right. ऐसा है, अब मैं जिनको बुलाने जा रहा हूँ वो जब बोलते हैं हम सब शांत हो जाते हैं, तो काम करते बुला लेते हैं। वेलकम भाई, थैंक यू सो मच। एंड क्या बोलना चाहेंगे इस रिस्पॉन्स को जो अभी मिला है, और ये जो ये बिल्कुल वेलकम मिला है आपको यहाँ पे?
जलवा हमारा अमेजिंग, थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर कमिंग हियर। आप लोगों का रिएक्शन देख के मजा आ गया, फिल्म का ट्रेलर देख के बहुत मजा आ गया, and I'm just so happy and glad that all of us are here tonight. I mean, it's been such an incredible pleasure to be part of Peti. Starting with Bucci sir, thank you. You were like so amazingly warm towards me. You know, thank you sir, Randy sir. Just how you used to just collaborate on what I could do and how you would capture it. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Ram Garu, you're just amazing, man. So much for your love and warmth. This looks amazing. Smashing. Janvi, you look amazing. I mean, I'm sure this is a very different part you've played this time. It's amazing. And, Rahman sir, honor. It's a sheer honor to be in your presence. Thank you so much.
भाई आई हैव टू आस्क यू, क्योंकि बुच्ची सर का इतनी तारीफ उनकी हमने सुनी है, उनके काम की। पहली फिल्म में ही नेशनल अवार्ड उन्होंने जीत लिया। यहाँ पे मैंने तो क्या लगा था कि हाँ यार, ये पॉइंट सुन के ही लगा कि ये पिक्चर अलग है बॉस सबसे।
यार मैंने ये फिल्म ना कहानी सुनने से पहले हाँ करी, क्योंकि मैं जब उनसे मिला तब तक पूरी कहानी मुझे सुनाई नहीं थी, लेकिन वो जिस तरीके से मिले ना मुझसे और जिस तरीके से उन्होंने बात करी, बहुत कम लोग होते हैं, बहुत कम ऐसे आर्टिस्ट होते हैं जो इतने खुले दिल से आपसे मिलते हैं विदाउट एनी बैगेज। तो मुझे लगा फिल्म स्क्रिप्ट जो भी होगा, मेरा कैरेक्टर जो भी होगा, लेकिन मैं कूदा इस फिल्म में सिर्फ इनकी वजह से।
क्या बात है। एंड वन मोर थिंग, अगर मुन्ना भैया को पेदी को कोई ऐसे राय देनी होती, कुछ बताना होता, वो क्या क्या एक एडवाइस देता है?
पेदी ऑलरेडी इज अ कंप्लीट गाय, वो सब कुछ करते हैं, वो क्या होगा? आई थिंक मुन्ना यही कहता कि साथ मिलके गैंग बनाते हैं।
That's so मुन्ना भैया, give it up for him ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां। And now it's time to invite on stage the birthday boy, I would say, and I think आप सब की तरफ से इनको ये सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट है जो रिस्पॉन्स आपने दिया है। The stage, and of course it's so good to see you. Congratulations on this, sir. Sir, we've been told that you were like amongst the first few to watch the movie because BGM भी कर रहे थे. So talk to us about that, sir. What made you say that yes, this is the movie, you know, and of course the response that we're getting right now.
Yeah, I think I started with Tamil films and then I did Telugu dubbing and Hindi, everything. And I was waiting for the right movie in Telugu to come. And this is the one. So I was waiting, I was pushing, like people used to come for Telugu movies, but when he told me the story and his passion in the eyes made me feel like this is my first movie in Telugu. And I think it's beginning now. So, thanks to Bucci and Ram Charan.
Raman sir, if there was one thing that actually stayed with you is film say, what would that be, sir?
I personally think like anything you take, if somebody goes deep within the subject and pulls the best from every artist, that could be the great film. Like, you know, apart from success or failure, I think it's going to be great success. For me, I feel like gone to the depth. Every frame, this man is shining. Every frame, and I can see the hard work, physically, spiritually, mentally. A great honor. Thank you so much.
One last thing, sir. There was this viral video of yours, of course, Bucci Babu sir, and you know everybody is talking about it, and he was the first person to say that I would want Chikri Chikri to be heard by a random person. मतलब ऐसी टेस्टिंग आपके गानों की मुझे नहीं लगता सर इससे पहले कभी हुई होगी. So what do you have to say about that?
I think he started during COVID, right? So he came to Dubai,
right?
And this is the first Chikri was the first tune, and he said very good. And then I did a few other things, and then continued in Chennai, then went to Hyderabad. So he seems very sweet, but he's not. He's a tyrant. He's a very soft and very nice, lovable guy. But he said, can you do another tune? Another tune? Can you change the voice? But then that's what makes a person, you know, excellent. All for the movie. All for you. Janvi, thank you. Yesterday I was watching your mother's movie. Okay.
थैंक यू सो मच रहमान साहब के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. एंड नाउ लेट्स डू इट प्रॉपर्ली लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. आई थिंक ये डिजर्व करते हैं तालियां, सीटियां एंड ऑफ कोर्स अ लॉट ऑफ लव एंड एक्नॉलेजमेंट फॉर हिज टैलेंट. द मैन जो अपने डेब्यू से ही हर किसी के दिलो दिमाग. मुंशी बाबू के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. So I would want you to take the center stage, sir. Of course. Now when Rahman sir has already told us that you're not a very ऐसा सीधा साधा व्यक्ति. So, sir, what would you like to say? Thank you. Okay. So I would want him to talk about this cast, and of course when Rahman sir talks about collaborating with him and of course praises him, what would you want to say?
అంటే
I understood, of course.
I got my Telugu back. Because I have to see what in Telugu.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. అది ఆంధ్రాలోనే స్టేజ్ మీద ఏమో మాట్లాడలేకపోతున్నాను ఎందుకంటే ట్రైలర్ బయటకు వెళ్ళింది. అప్లాస్ ఎలా ఉంది, నా ఫోన్ రింగ్ అవుతా ఉంది, ఆ టెన్షన్ లో ఉన్నాను.
If you were to talk about Ramcharan sir's transformation, sir, समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि वो कुश्ती कर रहे हैं, क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, दौड़ भाग रहे हैं. He's doing everything. So what exactly is Ramcharan sir doing in this? Talk to us about his transformation, sir.
సార్ అంటే ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ చేయడం అంత ఈజీ కదండి. 3-4 months లోనే మళ్ళీ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్, అంటే క్రికెటర్ టు రెజ్లింగ్ టు అనదర్ గేమ్ అవుట్ ఉంది. చరణ్ సార్ కి చాలా కష్టం, టఫ్ అయిపోయింది. ఎందుకంటే బికాజ్ ఆ టైంలో తను మాల వేసుకున్నారు, స్వామి మాల, ఆ వెజిటేరియన్ బాడీ. నేను దగ్గర నుంచి చూసేవాడిని కదా, నేను డమ్మిల్ చేయడానికి ఒక సెట్ చేయడానికి ఒక రోజు జిమ్కి వెళ్తే ఒక 4-5 days వద్దురే బాబు మనకి ఎందుకు కష్టం అనుకుంటాం. అలాంటి టైంలో చరణ్ సార్ చాలా కష్టపడి, అంటే క్యారెక్టర్ హ్యాండిల్ చేయడం వేరు. చరణ్ సార్ లో ఉన్న మాస్ అపీరెన్స్ కి పెద్ది సరిపోతుంది, కానీ పెద్దిలో ఉన్న ఇన్నోసెన్స్ క్యారెక్టర్ పెద్దికి మాత్రం చరణ్ సార్ సరిపోతారు.